Hi all, today I am going to discuss one important interview question that how to handle with cookies. So first of all, let's discuss what are cookies. A cookie is a small text file which is stored on a user's device by a website, and it's containing data related to the user's interaction with the website. And cookies are primarily used to enhance the user experience by remembering preferences, login details, and browsing activities across different pages or sessions. So when we visit a website, the server sends a cookie to your browser, which is then stored locally on your device. This allows the website to recognize you on subsequent visits, saving time and improving functionality. For instance, cookies can remember your language preferences, the contents of your shopping cart, or the last page you visited. Okay, and with Selenium WebDriver, so WebDriver API provides the following methods to deal with cookies. So first, get cookies, then get cookies named, add cookie, delete cookie, and delete cookies name, and delete all cookies. So in today's session, we are going to discuss one by one all the six methods. So let's start our coding. So first of all, I am going to create one class here. Let's say working with cookies. And I'm not selecting public static void main because I am going to use TestNG framework here. So as sorry. So as first method, I am going to discuss get cookies. So it returns the list of all cookies. So we will get the list of all the cookies and then we will print this. So how we can achieve this? Let's start our code. So public void get cookies demo. So I am marking this as a test ng test. So import test from test ng annotations. And here I am going to create WebDriver interface reference. So we can import WebDriver from Selenium. Okay. Then what we are going to do here, driver is equal to new Chrome driver. So here we are going to use Chrome as browser. So import Chrome driver from Selenium. Okay, next we are going to maximize window, then get URL. So we are going to use this URL for our today's question. So I copied it and I pasted it here. Okay. So first of all, we need to get the list of all cookies. So how we can get it? So driver dot manage dot get cookies. Okay. So what it will return? It will return set of set of cookies. Okay. So can num ck. Okay. So we can over it and we can import set from Java utility and cookie from Selenium. Okay, that's it. So now first of all, we need to get list of all cookies. So how we can get it? Or we can, I'm changing this name then, all cookies. Okay. So for this purpose, I am going to use for each cookie and all cookies. Okay. Now we can print it. Okay. This out and we can print it. ck dot here we can print it like this. Okay. And we can also get list of all cookies. So dot size. So here we will get how many number of cookies are there. So this will return integer. So integer number of cookies. Okay. So we can print it here. Number of cookies. Okay. Can print it here. Okay. So here we are getting number of cookies. And here we are printing. So let's save it. Control Shift F, Control S, Control Shift F for formatting, Control S for saving. Then we can quit here. Okay. And one more thing we can cover here. So we can also get the get cookie name. So let's go to the website, inspect it. And first of all, where the cookies are available. So we need to go to application and cookies. Okay, here in this we have how many cookies? 6 cookies we have. So these are the name and value pair. Name is here, value is here. So suppose if we are going to get as our next method get cookie named. So how we can get it? So I think after size we can print here. Okay. So driver dot manage dot get cookie named. So inside it I am providing name of the cookie. Okay, what it will return? It will return cookie. But what I am doing? I am just including it into our print statement. Okay. Okay. So we can write some message here. Named cookie. Okay. What is the name of cookie? This is the name of cookie. So we can provide here like this. In this way, we have covered two methods, get cookies and get cookie name. So let's save it and let's run it. Right click, run as test test. So browser is launched, website is going to open. It is opened. Okay. Okay. So we can see. So how many cookies are there? It's showing 3. So, but it may change actually. It is showing 3, but it dynamically changes every time. So let's refresh it. Okay. So, so how many are here? 6. Let's see it is printing or not. Printed or not. Okay. So, what we can do for more good printing, what we can do here. So we can write like this, get name and, and dot get value. So we get cookie in the form of name and value pair. Okay, I'm saving it and I am going to rerun this. Let's see what happens. So our result would be more readable. Launching browser, opening website. Okay, now closing browser. Okay, now we can see here. So total number of cookies are 6 and named cookie is, okay, this is the name and this is the value. Okay, then how many cookies are there? Number of cookies are 6. Now what next? So we have already covered these two methods. Now we are going to start working on add cookies. Means first we will create cookie and then we will add cookie. For this, I am going to create one. I'm going to create one class here, add cookie. Okay, demo. So I'm not selecting public static void main because I'm going to use testng framework. So I'm creating here one method, public void add cookie test. So we can mark it test and we can do this. Okay, so For the sake of saving time, I'm just using the previous code. Okay. So this, first of all, we need to create. Okay. So first of all, we need to launch the browser and open the website. Okay. Then we can open. Then we are going to, just a second, WebDriver driver. Switch over on this and import WebDriver from Selenium. Okay. So first of all, we need to create cookie. So how we can create? So cookie ck is equal to new cookie, and here we can pass the name. Suppose just I am giving some test name, and we need to pass the value, test value. Okay. Now over it and import cookie from Selenium. What next? So ck driver dot manage dot add cookie is there, right? So here we can pass the object of cookie class. Okay. Now this would be created. Okay. And now what we can do? Now it is added. So we can use previous code. So we can get the size here. So in this way we can get the size, and we can print the number of cookies. Okay. Then we can print all the cookies, including newly created and added cookies. Okay. So this is all cookies. So here we have created new cookie. We can give some other name it. One. Okay. So what we have done here, we have first created one cookie, then we have added the cookie. Then what we are doing here, we are going to get the count of the cookie, means size of the cookies, and we are going to print here the size. Then here we are printing the name and value of the cookies, including added cookies. So Control Shift F for formatting, Control S for saving. So the code is ready. Let's run it. Right click, run as test ng. Launch browser, open window, open website. Yes. Now you can see here we have added cookie test name and test value. So you can see what new cookie we have created, test name and test value, and we have added. So this is test name and test value. So in this way, we can create and we can add a new cookie. Okay, so now what next? So we need to cover this delete cookie. So whatever cookie we have created and added, so let's delete it here. What we are doing? Deleting the created and added cookie. So how we can do that? Driver dot manage dot delete cookie, and we need to pass the object of cookie class. Okay, now again we can print here it is deleted or not. Okay, then Control Shift F for formatting, Control S for saving. So this time it is there. So next time what happens? Let's see. Let's run this. Right click, run as test ng test. Launching browser. It's going to open website. The web page is opened. Now WebDriver will be closed. Yes. Now we can observe here. So first total cookies, number of cookies are there, 7. Test name, test value is there. Okay. Then again, it is printing it. Okay. Okay, let me check what happened. It is again printing. All cookies. Okay, we need to again. Okay, we need to again write this line. And again, let's see. I'm going to rerun it. Right click, run as test ng test. Let's see what will be the outcome. Mhm. So let's see what happened. So what we are doing earlier, total number of cookies 7. Test value is there. Okay, and it printed. Okay, just a second. We are printing here, right? So we can write one control I system. Can write one message. List of cookies after deletion. Okay, save it. So it will be more readable. So right click, run as test ng test. So here website is open and quitting. Yes, WebDriver is closed. Now we can see here number of cookies 7. Before deleting, test name test value is there. Added cookies are there, and list of cookies after deletion. So it's not there. Okay, that's it. Now the last, yes, delete cookies, named cookies we can delete. So how we can do that? So what we can do, driver dot manage dot delete named cookie. Okay, this one. So here we can pass the name of the cookie. So suppose there are multiple cookies are there. So I'm just giving name of this cookie. Okay. So I want to delete this cookie. How can we delete it? Just pass here. Okay. Again. Okay. So again, what we can do, we can print here. Huh? Okay. After deletion, we can print here. So list of cookies after deletion of named cookie. Okay. And yes, again we need to define it here. Okay. Control S, and I'm again going to run the program. So what is here? General detected country code should be deleted. Now it is there. This one, general session is the general detected country code. This one should be deleted. Okay. So let's rerun it and let's see what happens. So run as test ng test. Oh, launching browser, opening website. Now it will close WebDriver instance. Yes. Now we can observe here. General, what was there? You can see here. Yes, general detected country code. So general detected country code here it is there. Okay. List of cookies after deletion. List of cookies after deletion of named cookie. So general detected country code is not here. You can see it. That's it. What next? What next is left? So next, delete all cookies. Okay. So in this way, we will be deleting driver dot manage dot delete all cookies. Okay. After deleting all cookies, again we can print the list of cookies. Okay. So let's see what happens. I'm saving it and rerunning it. So we can also write some message. Okay, it's there. No? So list of cookies after deletion of all cookies. All cookies. Okay. Control S. I have saved it. Now I am going to rerun it. Right click, run as test ng test. So browser is launched. Now website is opened. Now WebDriver instance is going to close. Yes, done. So list of cookies after deletion of all cookies. So no cookies is listed after. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.